Evan's getting very distracted, and he's not doing the video content.
Yeah, I am. This is part of it.
This is a part of the JLT Oil Catch Can.
And the intake.
And fixing the intake. Was it a 10?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm so smart.
I'm pretty sure I'm on set.
But it's all wondering of what does it look like underneath. Is it going to be ugly?
Oh, it's going to be ugly for sure.
I mean, it's not super ugly. It's only just partially ugly.
Yeah. The Explorer's ugly. The Explorer didn't even have a cover on it.
Yeah, they just revealed the ugly. They said we don't care about pretty, we care about performance. Yikes.
Told you you're wrong.
Might be wrong. Look how pretty it looks. Honestly though, as much as it's not pretty,
It's not bad.
look how much more space there is to like work. That thing gets in so much in the way. Dude, we got space to put in a meth kit in here? We could easily put a meth kit in here.
For sure.
Tell me, doesn't make sense.
Remove the wiring harness tab on the battery tray by pulling up. Remove the wire.
How to install a JLT Oil Catch Can on 21 F150. Guess. A lot of guessing.
Wait.
Yeah, like I don't see.
Is it saying
This, right?
Is it saying to?
Whoa! This. Right here.
No.
Here we go.
It's a very long bolt.
They're compensating for something.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, he figured it out.
So.
He actually read the instructions.
But it's not the same as the previous year model. So this here, off of the positive side terminal, pull this guy out. You're gonna use this
For one
one
of these.
here.
One of these bolt
Or-
holes. Bolt holes. Still kind of high.
Ooh, that does sit high, doesn't it?
But not that high. Like, you can still see there's still clearance.
Is there?
Yeah. And then you screw a second
So
bolt.
anyways, and then you drill the second hole, and that's how it mounts.
Boom! Take out the Ziplocs, actually looks like. Take it out of the Ziploc!
What?
Take it out of
Oh,
the...
take your mom out of the Ziploc.
Guys, this is what I have to deal with on a regular basis. So this comes with like these two holes, right? So one of them just goes like right in that spot-ish, like there. And you just drill the second hole right in that spot there.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Way easier than the Explorer, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
No sheesh.
I'm gonna record you doing it.
Oh. Well, give me a second. Let me figure this out.
Come on, bro. Get it done.
I'm gonna slap you.
In booty shorts?
What is this?
You gotta use the M5. M6.
I don't know what that is. Don't ask questions. Bless you.
Bless you.
What is this?
We'll get to that in a minute. That's instruction number 6.
I think you're wrong.
Remove factory PCB line by pulling tabs. Where's the PCB tie lines? PCB. It's probably this one right here.
Yeah.
Where's the other one? No. Don't break it. You break it, you buy it.
Shut up.
You guys see the sass you just gave me? I'm over here working hard, operating this camera. You guys don't even know I'm here. And he just sasses me. Come on, bro, get on. You want me to do it?
You try? Go for it.
Is there like a clip on the other end? Ow! Baby fingers. Go ahead, figure it out, bro. Call me daddy, dude.
Shut up.
That's pretty much what I did. One direction or another makes it pop.
One Direction.
Oh, One Direction. Oh! Oh!
What is this though?
I don't know. Sometimes you have to use everything that comes with it, yeah.
That's true, because it does work for
Different models.
14 and...
Look, I hurt my finger.
Oh no.
Oh, I missed.
Poor baby.
You called me a baby. I know I kind of skipped a little bit, but there it is. So we did that modification on both brackets underneath.
Yeah, so I had to cut the tabs off on both so it would
So they could
go
slide on.
far enough over that lip.
And then you just basically just put on 2 bolts into that. Right? Bloop. Another one.
Look at the
Bloop.
oil in this already. Wonder if
There's
I can...
1,000 miles? Maybe 2?
1,700 miles.
1,700 miles. There's already oil.
I mean, it's kind of hard to see, but
That's there.
it's there.
So, and then you just put
Oh
these
yeah, look.
around it there. Put these 2 there. Look at that.
It's pooling in there. It's hard to come out, but
2 little screws. There it is. Done deal. It'll
Boom.
close and clear.
boom. Yeah. Looks like it sticks up a lot, but really.
JLT Oil Catch Can.
Boom. Look at the modifications coming already.
Already. So we have, how many mods do we have? We have
This.
air intake, pretty cover thingy, JLT Oil Catch Can, and don't forget our DIY VTA mod down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Boom.
Should I even I don't think I'm going to put the cover back on. Should I put the cover back on? Probably look better with the cover on.
As it about looks, your JLT Oil Catch Can tube's gonna be in the way.
It'll be fine. It'll be